If your furnace makes repeated clicking sounds but never lights, it means the ignition system is trying, and failing, to start the burner. This is one of the earliest signs of igniter failure, flame sensor issues, or gas flow problems. Warning: why your furnace keeps clicking. Weak or cracked igniter, dirty or faulty flame sensor, gas valve not opening properly. Each click is a failed attempt to start. Don't wait until it stops trying altogether. Why Houston homeowners trust Uptown. Same-day appointments, licensed HVAC technicians, full ignition system evaluation. We get your heat back on, safely and quickly. Schedule your ignition diagnostic today.